Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kindergarten education, specifically focusing on the letter A. So, let's get started with our lesson plan for letter A for kindergarten mothers at home. First, we'll begin by introducing the letter A. We'll teach them how to recognize it, how to pronounce it, and how to write it. We'll use fun and engaging activities to make the learning experience enjoyable and memorable. Next, we'll move on to the sound of the letter A. We'll teach them how to identify the sound in words and how to produce it correctly. We'll use games and activities to help them practice and improve their pronunciation. After that, we'll explore the various words that start with the letter A. We'll introduce them to a variety of words, both common and uncommon, to help them build their vocabulary. We'll use word games and activities to make learning these words fun and engaging. Finally, we'll wrap up our lesson with a review of what we've learned. We'll ask them to identify the letter A, pronounce it correctly, and use it in words. We'll also encourage them to practice at home with their parents to reinforce their learning. And that's it for our lesson plan for letter A for kindergarten mothers at home. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!